Payback period is the time required for the amount invested in a project to be repaid by the net cash outflow generated after the project is closed. If this description is complicated, just know that it is the time required for invested money to be repaid. For example, your company invests $3 million for project A. If expected yearly revenue is $1.5 million, then payback period for project A is, what do you think? Since your investment is repaid in 2 years, which is calculated by 3 divided by 1.5, then the payback period is 2 years. This means you will get all the money you spent for the project in 2 years. Now, since we better know what payback period is, we can now make comment on questions related with payback period. Okay, here's the trick. Shorter the payback period, better the project. Since with the shorter payback period, you will get your money back in shorter time, then choose a project having shorter payback period. At the beginning of this chapter, we told that individual selection methods should not be used as the sole criterion. In the question, if there is only payback period is given, then probably the answer will be the project having shortest payback period. But payback period may not be the sole criterion for selection for a project. In the question, there will be hints about which criterion is more important than the other, therefore, read the questions carefully. Here is an example. Your company will start to a new project. There are 3 alternative projects. Which project should be selected? Payback period for project A is 18 months. Payback period for project B is 24 months. Payback period for project C is 30 months. What do you think? Here, project A should be selected. Payback period for project A is 18 months, which means you will earn all the money you paid for the project after 18 months. Since you get your money back in shorter duration compared to other projects, here project A is the best answer.